This is a short tutorial on a very cool tool called ThingLink, which allows you to create interactive images through pop-ups and hotspots. And you can use 360 video, 360 images, you can link text, and a whole lot more. Here you go. So when you first log into ThingLink, you're going to see all of the things you've uploaded. If you want to focus on just one thing, like the 360 images you've uploaded, click on that. I don't have any videos, and I don't have any images in particular uploaded, so we'll stick with all. And then I can kind of get a bird's eye view of how many views and how many tags do I have and that kind of thing with each of my different uploads. And of course, I could click on them and open them up. I'm not going to show you that just yet. If you click on the Welcome tab, you're going to see Welcome to your ThingLink account. And it gives you some project ideas that you might think about, and of course you can get that live support that you need. If you click on the My Media tab, that's going to bring you back to all the media that you've uploaded. And it gives you that image thumbnail so you can quickly figure out what you're looking for. If you click the Explore tab, you can kind of have a look at what other people have created. And you can of course look at the views and say, hey, 48,000 people looked at that. That looks pretty popular. 110 women composers linked to YouTube videos of their music. And so as you see this, then you can kind of link over little information things that this person has put together. And your students can do some study that way. And you also have the search bar. So to keep it simple, I'll just type the word history. Do I want all media or just images? I'll stick with all media. Click search. And maybe we're talking about the Olympics, so I'll check this one out and see if it's any good. Or St. Patrick's Day and agriculture. Interesting. Let's see what these little buttons have to teach us. So you can see that it's a very rich platform. So if you click on the Projects tab, then you can start a new project that you can share with students. This one, for example, is Internal Conflicts. I only have one group, students of Social Studies Samurai. And if you want to upload certain materials, you can choose to upload from your media, which would be an image that you already have saved within ThingLink. Or you could upload something like an image video or 360 photo, or sorry, 360 image. Or you can import from a URL and simply paste and click import. Make sure it's the right kind of URL. You'll see the content has been added here, and then you publish project. Your next step for that is going to be to share it with people. So a few other features. For example, the question mark here, if you click on that, you'll get a new tab that says, hey, this is how we can help you. You can look for it yourself by searching or look at the different links down below. If you click on the down arrow here, then you're going to get, again, help, where you can upgrade if you don't have the paid plan, which for an individual is only $35 a year. That's where you log out, by the way. You can look at stats for your different thing links or links that you put up, your account settings, the media that you have, which would be these things right here, the blog for ThingLink and webinars ThingLink has, and different groups within ThingLink as well, the ones that you have, or if you want to take a code and join somebody else's group, you can put the code in there if they've invited you. And this is where you can add groups as well if you choose. And if you click the little arrow here, it's going to tell you how you can spend a little bit of money and upgrade to their better plans. And again, for a school district or for an individual classroom for teachers. So that's what I have. 35 bucks a year. Yep, I'm in, not a problem. Notice here that you can get a quote depending on the size of your school and that kind of thing. If you need a little bit of help too, you can go to the question box right there and type in your message, and they'll give you a hand.